Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add or remove desktop icons on Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So if you have a Windows 11 computer or Windows 10 computer and you want to remove any application from the desktop or you want to remove any app icons on the desktop, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to add desktop icons on Windows 10 or Windows 11 is right click on empty space on the Windows desktop, click on personalize, then this is going to open personalization on your Windows. Then scroll down, locate and click on themes. Under themes, scroll down the page and click on desktop icon settings. Now once you click on desktop icon settings, come here and select any desktop icons you want to add to your desktop. Let's say computer, network, user files. Then go ahead and click on apply. Then you should have a user file, the network, this computer control panel added. Then click on OK. So that is all you need to do where you want to add desktop icons to your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, laptop or desktop. Now to remove desktop icon from your Windows, right click on the desktop, select personalize, then under personalization scroll down, click on themes, scroll down the themes page and click on desktop icon settings. On the desktop icon settings, uncheck desktop icons you want to remove. So just go ahead and check the desktop icons you want to remove, click on apply, or better still, if you have all of these, check and then you have all desktop icons added, just come here and click on restore default. Then once you check restore default, this is going to restore the default. Now to go ahead and remove any of the desktop icons, uncheck it and then click on apply. Then after that, click on OK. Then you are good to go. So that is all you need to do where you want to add or remove desktop icons on PC or laptop. Now for you to remove app icons like Chrome, Adobe or all of this, all you need to do is just click on it, click on the icon you want to remove, then delete it. You see that? Now to add the icon back, all you need to do is click on the start menu, click on all apps or all. Now scroll through all your applications on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then drag the app icon you want to add, and then you are good. So that is basically how to add or remove desktop icons on Windows 10 or Windows 11 on laptop and on desktop. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.